January 26th, and this is the London Review. Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trading Academy. And boy, the year has come with a bang. The year has come with a bang. 2021 has come with a bang in Forex. For those of you who may not know, the last 2-3 months of 2020, everything in the market was a breakout. In other words, price will break resistance or support and just keep going, which kind of makes it very difficult for people who are a little more conservative in their approach, those who look for confirmations and those who want to make sure that they get high probability trades. It made it a lot more difficult. You have to be a little more aggressive, which also meant lowering your lot sizes, right? Because again, you don't, how can I say, you don't want to gamble with the money that you have in your account. You want to be able to use it wisely. And so the beginning of 2021 has brought us a retest pretty much on everything, which makes it a lot easier for, again, the more conservative trader, the one that wants to look at this the long haul, not somebody who's looking for quick profits. It makes it a lot easier to time your entry. And so we're going to discuss that here in just a minute. From last week to and this week, every single setup that I've sent to the team has retested, and that's just beautiful. That's just a great opportunity for entry. Let's go look at the charts and we'll discuss it.
This is the chart as I had it last night, sent to the team. And again, this is only partial information of everything because obviously we save everything for the team, but it should give you enough information here to see what's going on. We have a downtrend, right? We have a trend line marking showing clearly that we're in a downtrend, and then we have price consolidating right there in the middle. Okay, now the overall move of GBP USD has been bullish. It's been bullish for quite a while. We are anticipating the breaks of the highs of 2018. In fact, it's been keep pressing and pressing and pressing on the upside. So we have that trend line right there waiting to see if we can catch the break of the resistance, which is that zone that's marked right there, and the trend line for an entry to the upside. Okay, let's see what happened. So these are the results. Before it came up, it went down, and in fact, we were able to take a win on those sales down there. I ended up taking the sales and not the buys. The buys came this morning, but the beautiful thing is that the team was able to catch the sell that had a retest, and then the buy that had a retest, and then you can see the retest here, right? You see how that candle before the retest broke outside of the zone and tested the trend line. Then the next one came and retested the zone. These are our candles, and it broke through the trend line. That is a very easy buy. There is not much worries there. You can put a stop loss right below that wick and just let it ride. And sure enough, it went for 58 pips with zero drawdown. I mean, we just love to see these kind of actions because it makes it for the professional trader, makes it easy for the professional trader enter this. Okay, and for anybody else, but for sure for the team, this has turned out to be a very profitable week with a lot of testimonials. I think I posted testimonials before. Actually, they're not on YouTube. They are on the IG, on my IG page. I did not make a video for YouTube. So maybe I'll add some of those testimonials on this video. But anyway, that was a beautiful, beautiful win there. And let's discuss the results. So these are the numbers from last night. Very conservative lot sizes. I'm still testing the market to see how it's going. Right? We're not so confident yet. I'm not. I mean, it's just January, so I wanted to see how the market was moving. And because it's been a very busy month, I've been putting in my trades and just going to bed. So this was the sales from last night. I didn't catch the buys. The buys were this morning, and by the time I woke up, it had already busted out. But I did put these on last night for a very easy win. I mean, this was a total of about 35 pips. I think that's where I closed it, 35 pips, two positions, two small positions, and it paid out well for a very easy night. And that's basically how it's been for the last couple of weeks. I mean, it breaks out, retest, enter, And as I told my team, if you're not so confident in the setup, for example, because it's been testing and testing and testing the high so high, If you're not so confident in the setup, just put a smaller lot size and go for it. I mean, we don't predict what the market is going to do. We don't guess what the market is going to do. We don't anticipate what the market is going to do. We watch what the market does and we follow it. So if it's breaking out and retest it, we follow it. We put a whatever lot size we put our stop loss below that wick and we let it ride. And so it paid us here once again. So here are some of the testimonies from our students in the class. This gentleman right here just caught 20 pips on, this was last week, I think this was Friday, on the move from Friday. This gentleman right here also took a win on that, which was pretty cool. We have some more testimonies from this week, but I don't have those recorded. I just wanted to post these here because they are not documented in the YouTube. Here's good old Jamal, got himself $300 on the move from Friday. Again, we do this every week. Here's Kashara, got herself 133 also on it. And here's Joan saying, pay the bills again. Thanks, Robert, all the team for this knowledge. Another one, Anthony, got himself 15 pips and took off. That's exactly what we recommend. So anyway, for those of you who are considering joining a team, we actually teach you how to trade. We don't give you signals over here. Okay, we don't give you signals. We teach you how to trade. We give you the setups. We show you how to take the setups, and then we discuss it in the community. And sometimes we even have live trades. And so, again, the idea is to teach every student how to be independent traders. We don't want them dependent on us. We want to teach them how to become independent, and then they can go out there and teach other people. Perhaps that's you, and you might want to join us.
Welcome back. So as you can see, I mean, we've been retesting. I mean, I didn't show you all the retests from the week before, but I'm telling you, and my students can confirm that every setup that I sent all last week and the first one of this week all retested. Okay, we have been getting winners to the top side. We've been getting winners to the downside. We win with high consistency because we don't try to predict which way the market it is going to go. We go with it, as Jay Wayne calls it, the FTB strategy, right? Follow the banks. We follow the banks. We don't predict, we watch. What the price does, we follow, okay? And you can do so too. Why don't you join us? Again, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trading Academy. I hope that you're receiving value from what you're seeing. And if so, please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.